Software Spring. Presence. How to use DCOUNT in Google Sheets. Hello and welcome to the tutorial on the DCOUNT function. This is a database with students' names and their scores in the 4 subjects. Before we use this database, here's an introduction to the DCOUNT function. The D in DCOUNT stands for database. DCOUNT returns a count of numeric values in a database, based on 0 or more criterion. Okay, let's look at the format of the DCOUNT function. Database is a range. For example, this can be a range. The field can be any one of these columns, which has the values to count. Criteria is the range, with 0 or more criterion, which a value should meet, for it to be counted. We'll create the criteria range in just a while. Moving forward, here is an objective to use the DCOUNT function. To count students with a score of 90 or more, in all the 4 subjects. Okay, we'll first create the criteria range. I will copy this row and paste it here. Now, I need to type the criteria. Below this field, I will type the condition, greater than or equal to 90. Copy and paste the condition to the other 3 fields. In this cell, I will type the text, scores greater than or equals 90 in all subjects. Now, let's look at the format of the DCOUNT function again. Alright, I will type the DCOUNT formula in this cell. First, type equal to, and D, C. Select DCOUNT from the menu. For the database range, click this cell. Drag till this cell and release. Type comma. For the field, click this cell. Type comma. For the criteria range, click this cell. Drag till this cell and release. Press enter. There you go. The DCOUNT function has returned 6, indicating that 6 students have a score of 90 or more, in the 4 subjects. Now, say you want a count of students who have scored less than 80 in maths. To get this count, first we will create a new criteria range. I will copy this range and paste it here. Here, type the condition, less than 80. Delete these conditions. In this cell, I will type the text, less than 80 in maths. I will type the DCOUNT function in this cell. Alright, 3 students have scored less than 80 in maths. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.